Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we help you master the pronunciation of challenging words. Today we're diving into a medical term that's quite the tongue twister, Acanthosis nigricans. By the end of this video, you'll be saying it like a pro. This word is often mispronounced as Acanthosis nigricans or Acanthosis nigricans. Let's break it down so you can pronounce it correctly and confidently. The correct pronunciation is Acanthosis Nigricans. First part, acon, like as in apple, then con. Second part, thosis, say it as though like in though, and sis softly. Third part, ni, rhymes with I. Fourth part, gricans, emphasize gri, like grip, and cans as in tin cans. Altogether, it's Acanthosis Nigricans. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Acanthosis nigricans. One more time slowly. Acanthosis nigricans. Now faster. Acanthosis nigricans. Great job. Acanthosis nigricans is a skin condition that causes dark, velvety patches in body folds and creases, such as the neck, armpits, or groin. It's often linked to insulin resistance, obesity, or hormonal disorders, making it an important term to know in the medical field. Amazing work. Now you know how to pronounce Acanthosis nigricans and what it refers to. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with friends who love learning new words. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation tips and fun facts. Let me know in the comments what word you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.